Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to add YouTube videos to WordPress. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So now let's say you have a blog post and you want to add a YouTube video to it. So in order to add a video, firstly we need to go to this YouTube and we need to search for the video that you want to be embedded on your blog post. So for that, let's go to the youtube.com. So let's search for this video. So let's say we want to embed this video onto our blog post. So in order to do this, so this will be our video, and let's copy this URL. So let's click on this embed, and here you can just simply copy this complete code, and then just we can go back to our WordPress dashboard. So now you have two places where you can add your video. You can either add your video to your post or else you can add it to your pages. So firstly let's go to the post, and then here you can have many posts. So you can just click on view post for any of the posts. Let's say let me choose a post, like let's take this post and click on view post, and then you can go back. So let's say this is my blog post, and you can just click on edit your blog post, click on edit post, and now here we can create our first post. We can edit it, we can start writing here. So I will just paste my link here in order to embed my video here, and now we can see our video has been added to this post in this way. So here you can see it is added here, and you can even make changes to this, like you can even increase or decrease the size of this in other ways also. So by using the settings you can even make other changes also. Don't be afraid to explore all these settings, and once you're done you can just click on update in order to save these changes. So once the update has been done, you can go back to your page and post. You can see that your changes, and then let's get back, and then let's view our changes in this page. Let's see our post, and here you can see our YouTube video has been embedded onto this page. So you can just click here in order to play the video. And now let's see how to highlight a specific part of your video. So let's say you want to show only a part of your video, like from here to here, or else anywhere, any part of the video specifically you want to highlight some part. So you can do that by adding a start and end time to your video. So when you add your start and end time, when a visitor plays your video, it will automatically start and end at the time that you have selected. So let's go to our video page again, and let's click on the share, and here you can find this embed, and here you can see option, a checkbox called as started. So click on started, and here you can choose the time where you want to start your video. So let's say you want to start your video at 2 minutes. Okay, you can just give 2 minutes here, and then you can just copy this code again. So then after this we'll go back to our WordPress website dashboard, And you need to observe one thing, that once you have entered the time in your code, it will be updated in seconds. Like here you can see started 120, that is 120 seconds, which is equals to 2 minutes. So it will be updated here in the code. So then you have copied the code, and we'll get back to this. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard, and here let's click on new post. Let's add a new post. Click on add new, and then here you can give any title to your post, like chatbot might be my title. It's all up to you. And then now let's embed our code here. So in order to do this, click on this plus icon and search for HTML, and then select it, and then write your HTML. Just paste your code that you have just copied. That you can see your start is equals to 120 seconds, and this indicates the seconds. Then just click on preview, and here you can find how does this look like. Let's click on start and let's see. So you can see that it starts right from 2 seconds. So as soon as I click on the start button, it starts from 2 seconds part of the video. And now you can observe that from the 2 seconds it is up to end. Have to add our video to the page which is built using Elementor. In order to do this, firstly let's go to our pages section, and then let's click on the pages, and let's see the list of the pages that we have. And let's say we want to so this is the page built with Elementor, and here you can find an option called as edit with Elementor. So click on it in order to edit the pages built with Elementor to get edited. And now we need to go to the place where we want to add our video. So this page is blank, and I want to add my video here. So click on the plus icon, and here you can select your structure. So let's say this is my structure. I want this structure, and here we have a plus icon again, and then we can go to the elements, and here you can find a video element. Drag and drop the video element here, and then give the link of your YouTube video. Like you can just go here, copy this link, and give the link here, paste the link here, and then so this video will be getting embedded onto your page that is built with Elementor. So the video will be added, and then we can add even more content to other section. Like you can just click here, you can give some text. You can just click on the elements, and you can give some inner section or images or text editor. You can just copy and paste it here, and you can give some or the other content here. You can just edit the content from here. You can give your details regarding the video here. And once you are done with all the changes, you can just click on publish in order to save your changes. And then once the update has been done, you can just have a look of your page. So this is how you can add your YouTube video to your WordPress website. I hope you guys found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.